beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. In today's video guys, I'm working in my bedroom. Guys, I've been working in several parts in my home. I did the living room, dining room, kitchen, entryway, and today I'm going to work in my bedroom. As you can see guys, this is a mattress that have been sent to me, and guys, I really love this mattress. I'm upgrading from my queen size to a king size bedroom set, guys. And the mattress, of course, I have to change the mattress to a king size mattress. This mattress, guys, have been sent to me by KONFEIN. I don't know if I pronounce the name right, but the name is on the screen, guys. You can see. And guys, this is a 12 inches mattress. It's a king size. It's a gel memory foam for pressure relief and cooling sleep. Guys, I sleep on my stomach, and I know it's not the good way, but it's the way I feel I can fall asleep that easy. And this mattress is contouring memory foam. Guys, it helps your spine, and it relieve pressure, adequate for support. And I like it. It's not too hard and it's not too firm. And they have so many level of comfort you can choose from. I think mine was a medium firm. I didn't want it too soft and I didn't want it too firm. So it was perfect for my body. For those of you that always hot at night, the cooling gel memory foam absorb and dissipate heat. And guys, offering an additional support and firmness. I really like it, so the link will be in the description box down below. If you're looking for something like that, this can be a super good option. As you can see guys, even I just stayed on it, it doesn't sink with me and it's not too hard. It's just perfect for my need. Guys, make sure to check the link down below if you're looking for a mattress like this. It has 5 layers for quality sleep, non-slip bottom and side fabric for ensuring a stable and quiet sleep, skin-friendly and breathable covers. And guys, it takes up to 72 hours for the mattress to be fully deflated. But me, I always follow the instruction in order for me to have the best result of my product. I really like the bamboo charcoal support form. It maintains a durable structure for long-term use and it looks nice. The rug that I'm using guys, I already have it home and I like it. It goes perfectly with the decor I'm going for today. Have a little brown, little gold and some gray going on, very nice. I'm starting slowly but surely guys. This is 2 pillows that I ordered, 2 king size, and guys, I'm upgrading like I said from a queen to a king. That's the bedsure duvet cover that I ordered. And guys, I love bedsure. Not only they're not expensive and they have some good qualities bed sheet, so for your money. And the link will be in the description box down below. If anything in the video interests you, feel free to check them out. Right now I'm going to put some decor on the head of my bed guys. That's something I really like to do. I wanted to put this wall art. When I start to think I'm going to put this wall art and something happened. And it's super nice. And this mirror as well, I had 2 of them. The first idea that I had for my bedroom, as you can see, I had to change it, and this happened, just fall on the floor out of the blue and then just break down. And I didn't want to go buy another one, just leave it alone and come with a second plan, the second option. And this happened again for the second option, and the wall art was fine. Suddenly I just lifted to put on the wall and boom, everything just didn't go as I planned it. I tried to see if I can fix it, but I couldn't. As a DIYer, I'm definitely not going to trash it. I'm going to keep it and do a DIY with it. And guys, I already have in my mind what I'm going to do with it. Make sure to stay tuned to see how I transform this broken wall art. Okay guys, moving on to the decor that finally wanted to go in my bedroom. This is this wall art I bought them from Wall Mirrored from Z Gallery, and I have 3 of them, and it was about time for me to just display them because they're pretty and I don't really use them that much. In order for me to just find the perfect height and the perfect measurement, that's the way I do. So I just put the first one the way I want it, and I measure from the first one, and after that I place all the rest of them. So that's the way I do it. I know there can be simplest way, but this one, that's the one that worked for me, guys. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do product review, clean with me, DIY. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. Normally, I am supposed to clean it before I hang and wear gloves, but I didn't wear gloves and I have so many fingerprints on it, so that's why I just like, and it's my height level, so it was easy for me to clean. But it's another option, you can always wear gloves so you don't have to do this madness like I'm doing right now. But guys, keep in mind, I put on fitted sheet on my bed in case of dust or anything, so it's easy for me to just clean, remove the fitted sheet, the old fitted sheet. And guys, I'm using mattress protector, so it's not for everybody. I have small kids, so I always love to cover my mattress because I want them to last me longer. So mattress protector is not for everybody, and this one that I chose, I bought, it was super nice. No nose, no nothing. So guys, it's another option to protect your bed, your mattress, if you have small kids.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the power.
For my comforter, guys, I'm using 2 inserts. The other one, not really an insert, is a comforter, but it's light. Both of them are light, but I needed extra fluffiness, so I'm using 2. So if you don't want too much, you can only use 1, but me, I needed 2 to make the comforter look more fluffy, give me a hotel vibe, just make my bedroom very luxuriously beautiful.
Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry.
And another tip again to make your bedroom look hotel-like is make sure to remove all the wrinkles. But me, I don't like to iron, I just like to steam my bed while I'm finished with everything. So everywhere I can see wrinkle, I just like steam them, and the bed is super nice.
Got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances say I'm nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love.
This nightstand, guys, is from my previous bed set. I just did a DIY just to match up with the bed. I have a couple more furniture that come in, but this one I wanted to use it just to make it look exactly. I use contact paper on the top of the nightstand just to match up with my bed. Okay guys, this is your finished look. Let me know what you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. Guys, I didn't use any windows curtain on this video because it's like a process. I'm not done with my bedroom yet. That's what I have so far, but I'm going to use I'm going to put a lot of things like my fireplace, and I'm going to put TV. Some people don't like TV in the room, but me, I do. In this corner I'm gonna make either a sitting area or just put my dresser over here. That's where I'm going to put my fireplace and my TV, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys liked it. And if you do, like I said, make sure to give me a big thumbs up, and make sure to come back to see how the full bedroom turns out. Like I said, I'm not done with the bedroom. I just need place to sleep, and I do it this way. Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.